Welcome to our beginner's guide to meditation. In today's video, we will explore what meditation is and how you can get started on your meditation journey. So let's dive right in. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and is rooted in ancient traditions. It is a method of training the mind to achieve a state of mental clarity, inner calmness, and overall well-being. In our fast-paced modern world, our minds are often filled with thoughts, worries, and distractions. Meditation provides a way to step back from this mental chaos and find a sense of peace and stillness within. To begin meditating, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a cushion or a chair, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and let go of any tension you may be holding. Now, bring your attention to the present moment. One of the most common techniques for beginners is to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale, feeling the air entering and leaving your body. As you focus on your breath, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. This is normal and expected. Instead of getting caught up in these thoughts, simply acknowledge them and gently let them go, returning your attention to your breath. With regular practice, you will begin to cultivate a sense of inner calm and clarity. Meditation is not about emptying your mind completely, but rather observing your thoughts without judgment and creating a space of stillness within. Remember, meditation is a journey, and each session is an opportunity to explore your inner landscape. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. There are numerous benefits to regular meditation. It can help reduce stress, improve focus and concentration, enhance self-awareness, and promote overall emotional well-being. So, if you're ready to embark on this transformative practice, take a deep breath, find a quiet spot, and begin your meditation journey. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about finding what works best for you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this beginner's guide to meditation has inspired you to start your own practice. May you find peace, clarity, and joy along the way. Happy meditating!
वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। इस चैनल पर और वीडियो देखने के लिए इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें।